Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Well, I have my chalet all decorated for Valentine's, so let's take a look around. Well, as you can see guys, I'm all ready for a rustic Valentine's. And it's official, I'm in love with my little chalet. It's a rustic romance. Here on the handrail, I've got my little red lanterns. I've put 7 here across the front. Here on the upper railing, I've got my lanterns lined up in a row, and I've tied each lantern with a little bow of buffalo check ribbon. I thought instead of the usual pink and reds, I needed to go more rustic, of course, for the chalet. So I thought, why not use buffalo check ribbon? But for this ribbon, instead of being like my Christmas ribbon that's flannel and heavier, this is more of a silk ribbon. So it's a little bit lighter, but still buffalo check. And I've tied my lanterns here on the front with a bow. And I've also put a bow here on the mailbox. And here at the front door, I have a red heart that I've hung on the door with more buffalo check ribbon. I have these hearts on my gazebo at home, and I thought I would bring one over here and use one on my door. And on each window, I found these cute little heart rose wreaths at Dollar Tree this year. And I've just tied them up with more buffalo check ribbon. And I've put one on each window. And here in the Adirondack chairs, of course, I have some buffalo check pillows. In keeping with the theme. Of course, for my chalet, we have to stay rustic, and I thought this was the best way to do Valentine's. Now, what I'm going to do for Easter, we'll have to see. I may have to part with the color scheme because I do love my pastels for Easter. But I will be decorating it for Easter, so just stay tuned and we'll see what I come up with.
Your look so laughable, unphotographable, yet you're my favorite work of art. Is your figure less than Greek? Is your mouth a little weak? When you open it to speak, are you smart? Don't change a hair for me, not if you care for me. Stay, little Valentine, stay. Each day is Valentine's Day. My funny Valentine, sweet comic Valentine, you make me smile with my heart. Your look so laughable, unphotographable, yet you're my favorite work of art. Is your figure less than Greek? Is your mouth a when you
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with a friend. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After. Turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you have a happy Valentine's. Bye-bye now.